PSC moving in the direction rather than flying in the corner. Cat's ready up to a fast start as well. MCS and Robotics thinking about it. And we being so Hampton to manage to fix their issues. They've got points on the board already. They've left it on. And they've left it in there. Well done, Hampton scored big improvement. LSS managed to grab their AQ as well. Oh, they didn't do that. Oh, that's still on though. LSS fighting on the Hampton still quietly going out for a B.
German one over there, yeah. Very well done.
Hampton dropped their BQ just outside, but they pushed it down. That's points for Cash. Well done, Hampton. PSC moving around a lot better in this round.
Like yours is similar. That's quadruple, that's similar. That's not quite. Before the end it was doing, you hit it.
Wow, all the way to the side, weren't you?
Whereas ours was just you extend the arm and just drive into it.
She just turned around at 90 degrees at that point as well.
So they are lining up for Apple and they swing their ground over and denied. Cat's bringing home the coconuts and an apple. Yes, that's a solid 6 points for Cats.
Well done, Cats. They also picked a managed to take one PSC to the coaches. Hampton still fighting out with the AQ.
And in Cats have just counted the PSC roll. They're up on top. Let's see if they can back away from this.
LSS are back out now. Whereas on the Hampton schools going to the Kirby Hampton trying to spoil their eyes.
A beautiful bit of random back up from the Cats right there. Has got it free. Although it's still punishing the PSC robot.
Leave it alone!
I'm glad I was
Now moving the AQ away from their zone.
Oh, it's happened. God.
Oh,
I think the PSC, there's been some damage only to the shell on the robot, nothing too internal so far.
no! He really wants that box. That's 6 points. But I'm really sorry about this. This is not intentional at all. This is Williams' one.
One team's round of